Hi students, in the last class we have studied truth sets. In today's class we are going to study quantifiers. What is the meaning of quantifier? The words all, some, for every, at least one, there exist are called quantifiers. The words all, some, for every, at least one, there exist are called quantifiers. There are two types of quantifiers, namely universal quantifier and existential quantifier. Universal quantifier and existential quantifier. What is the meaning of universal quantifier? The expression for all, for every, for each and for any are called universal quantifiers and is denoted by the symbol this one, for every, for each, for all. Okay. Next one, existential quantifier. The expression for some there exists and there exists some, there exists at least one, or for at least one is called existential quantifiers and is denoted by the symbol this one, there exist. Connectives involving quantifiers. The open sentence fixed by a quantifier is called a quantified open sentence or quantified predicate. Thus, a quantified statement is a proposition of the form for every x belongs to S, P of x. This is universal quantifier. There exists S. This is existential quantifier belongs to S, P of x. Here P of x is open sentence and S is the replacement set. These are called for every x belongs to S, P of x. These are read as for every, this one, for every x belongs to S, P of x, or this one, there exists x belongs to S, P of x. Truth values of a quantified open sentence. Remember this. Let R of P of x be the replacement set of an open sentence P of x. R of P of x is the replacement set of the open sentence P of x. Thus, first one, for every x P of x. If the sentence has for every x, this symbol, for every x P of x, this is true if and only if truth set of P of x is equal to replacement set of P of x. Okay. If truth set of P of x not equal to replacement set of P of x, then for every x P of x is false. Should remember these conditions. Second one, there exists x P of x. If the open sentence has this symbol, there exists x P of x, it is true if truth set of P of x is non-empty, not equal to pi. If it is equal to pi, then there exists P of x is false. Okay, let me see some examples. Decide whether the following statements are true or not. For every n belongs to n, n belongs to n means here n is the replacement set. N plus 4 greater than 1, where n is the set of natural numbers, that is replacement set. Okay. Here we have to check this is true or false for every this condition. This is true if truth set equals replacement set. Truth set equals replacement set. Truth set not equal to replacement set, then it is false. Okay. First take P of x such that instead of n we have x. X plus 4 greater than 1. This can be written as x greater than 1 minus 4. That is x greater than minus 3. Is it true? For natural numbers? Yes. This is obviously this is true for all x belongs to n, because a set of natural number starts from 1. 1 is greater than minus 3, 2 greater than minus 3, 3 greater than minus 3. All the numbers are greater than minus 3. This condition is true. And this is truth set of P of x equals n, replacement set. Truth set of P of x equals replacement set. Therefore, for every n belongs to n, n plus 4 greater than 1 is true. Understand? Okay, second example. For every n belongs to n is divisible by 4. Let P of n is divisible by 4. The proposition n is divisible by 4 is not true for all n belongs to n, because suppose 5. 5 is not divisible by 4. 7. 7 is not divisible by 4. 9 not divisible by 4. Therefore, truth set of P of x not equal to replacement set. Second condition. Truth set of P of x not equal to replacement set of P of x. Therefore, the given sentence is false. Hence, for every x belongs to n is divisible by 4. This is the given sentence. Is false because truth set not equal to replacement set. Next example. There exists x belongs to n. X square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Let P of x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You solve this quadratic equation. 6 can be written as 3 into 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals 0. X common, x minus 3 minus 2 common, x minus 3 equals 0. X minus 3 common, x minus 2 equals 0. This implies if we equate these two terms with 0, we get x equals 3, x equals 2. Truth set of P of x equals 2, 3. This is non-empty set. There exists condition. Non-empty. If it is non-empty, then x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 is true. There exists x belongs to n. Second example. There exists x belongs to n. 2x minus 4 equals 5x minus 4. Let P of x 2x minus 4 equals 5x minus 4. 2x minus 4 equals 5x minus 4. 2x minus 4 minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel 0. 3x equals 0. This implies x equals 0, which is not equal to 0 is not belongs to the set of natural numbers. Truth set of P of x is pi, because here we get the value of x0. 0 is not there in the set n, set of natural numbers start from 1. Therefore, truth set of P of x is empty. This implies P of x is false. There exists x belongs to n. Next. Determine the truth value of quantified statement, the replacement set being the set of real numbers. There exists x square minus x plus 1 equals 0. First take P of x. X square minus x plus 1 equals 0. We should solve this quadratic equation. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. A value 1, b value minus 1, c value 1. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the values of a, b, c. Minus 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4, a value 1, c value 1 divided by 2 into 1. Minus plus or minus 1 square 1. 4 into 1 minus 4 divided by 2 equals 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. That is minus 3 can be written as minus 1 into 3. 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I root 3 by 2. But this is not belongs to R. Here replacement set is set of real numbers. This is not belongs to R. Therefore, truth set is empty. Truth set of P of x is empty. Therefore, there exists x square minus x plus 1 equals 0 is false. Next, determine the truth value of the following quantified statements, the replacement set being the set of real numbers. There exists x square equals x. P of x such that x square equals x. X square minus x equals 0. Take x common. X minus 1 equals 0. Equate these two terms with 0. We get x equals 0 or x minus 1 equals 0. That is x equals 0, 1 belongs to R. Truth set of P of x is 0, 1. It is non-empty. Therefore, P of x is true. Next example. There exists x. 2x square plus x minus 1 equals 0. P of x is 2x square plus x minus 1 equals 0. A value, these of the form ax square plus bx plus c. A value 2, b value 1, c value minus 1. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a equals minus b value 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 square 1 minus 4 into 2 into minus 1 divided by 2a 2 into 2 minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus into minus plus 4 into 2 8 divided by 4, that is minus 1 plus or minus 8 plus 1 is root 9 by 4. Root 9 is 3. Now take two terms, minus 1 plus 3 divided by root 4 and minus 1 minus 3 by 4. Two roots. Minus 1 plus 3, 2. 2 by 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 belongs to R. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 4 minus 1. Minus 1 also belongs to R. Therefore, truth set of P of x is minus 1, 1 by 2, which is non-empty. This implies P of x is true.